In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the time tracking column in Monday.com. If you want a simple way to measure how long work is taking on specific tasks, Monday.com makes that very straightforward with its built-in time tracking feature. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to add the column to your board and how to use it day to day so you can keep a clear record of time spent on each item. To begin, open your Monday.com board. Make sure you're on the board where you want to track work time since the column will be added directly there. This is helpful if you're managing projects, tracking team productivity, or simply trying to understand how much time different tasks require. Once you're inside the board, look for the plus icon used to add a new column. Click that icon to open the column options. This is where Monday.com lets you expand your board with different column types depending on the kind of information you want to track. In the search bar, type in time tracking. Searching for it is usually the fastest way to find the exact column you need, especially if your workspace has many available column types. When you see time tracking appear in the results, select it to continue. Now add the time tracking column to your board. Once it's inserted, you'll see it appear alongside your other columns. This column is designed specifically to record how long you spend working on each item, so it's especially useful for task management, billing, reporting, or internal time reviews. When you're ready to begin work on an item, click the timer in that item's time tracking cell. Starting the timer at the moment you begin working helps keep your tracking accurate. It's a good habit to start it right away so your records reflect the actual time spent. When the work is finished, click the timer again to stop it. Stopping the timer as soon as you're done is just as important as starting it on time because it prevents extra time from being added accidentally. Keeping this consistent will make your reports much more reliable. After that, you can review the tracked time directly in the column. This gives you an easy way to check how long the task took and compare effort across different items on your board. Over time, this can help you plan better, estimate future work more accurately, and improve visibility across your projects. And that's how to use the time tracking column in Monday.com.